Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can install presets into Adobe Bridge. When you make an order from Digital Film Actions, your presets are automatically sent to the email address that your PayPal is connected to. Click the download link once to be able to access your files, and you should end up with a zipped folder like this in your downloads folder. Double click this zip folder to unzip it, and inside you'll find all your presets. To install these presets in Adobe Bridge, we're going to head over to the program. When you find the raw file that you want to edit, hit the shortcut Command or Control R if you're on Windows. This will open up the raw editing window. So now we're going to head up to this little icon here, which is our presets. Click on that and then head up to these three little lines, select that and press Load Settings. Now we're going to navigate to our downloads folder where we had just unzipped that file. Double click it, and unfortunately in Bridge you have to import each preset one by one. It doesn't let you bulk import. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Just double click the first XMP file to import it, and then repeat the process again by selecting these lines, heading to Load Settings and importing the rest of the presets. Once you've done that, the presets are permanently installed in Adobe Bridge, so you can just head to your presets and select them from the menu when you want to edit. If you have any other questions or issues, please check out our FAQ page, which I'll leave down below, or you can get in contact with me via our contact form.